Okay, now I'm going to show you how to work a triangle while you pick up into an adjacent triangle. The first time you do this is for triangle 20. I just have a swatch here of the Pirouette Shawl, so we'll pretend we're at triangle 20. I have picked up a knit along the edge and worked the setup row back and worked most of row 1 up to the last 2 stitches. So here's what you do at that point. Here we are at the last 2 stitches of row 1, and what we're going to do is slip these 2 stitches together knitwise with the yarn and back. So this looks kind of like a knit 2 together. You insert your needle into the second stitch, grab the first stitch, and just pass them from the left needle to the right needle like that. Now we are going to pick up and knit a stitch into this adjacent triangle. So insert your needle into the very corner stitch of this adjacent triangle and knit it. That is your pick up and knit into the edge of that triangle. Then grab your left needle and insert it into the 2 slipped stitches and pass these stitches over. This is just like binding off. You just bring them over that picked up stitch, off the end of your right needle, and then off your left needle, like that. So next you're going to turn your work, slip 1, purl to the end, work row 3, and when you get here to pick up a knit, the important thing to keep in mind is that in this situation, instead of picking up and knitting into the next stitch, you're going to skip a stitch and pick up and knit into that one. So along this edge, you pick up and knit into every other stitch. By the time you get to this corner, triangle 20 will be done.